It's cool. There's a lot of it. Yay! Congratulations, dude. You did a good job.
Good.
Where do you begin now? Where do you begin?
He had the cookies?
No. Oh, one. Here. One.
He did? He had the milk too?
How did it even come? You will have the thing open, Mama?
Yeah.
Closed it. How do you begin? The smallest or the biggest?
I'm gonna open this first.
The medium one?
Medium. Oh.
Wait,
Hey, a dress.
let me put the. Where is the lights? What happened to the lights? Let me put the lights on.
Look, a dress.
What else? How? Oh, there's a lot of them. See how many are there?
Your dress?
See the ones.
Look at it.
Look
You
at
like
it. See all of them.
The check shirt is definitely cool. Wow. You got a scarf too? Wait. Let me see. Not the scarf?
No.
Oh, it's comfy pants.
What is this? What's the design on it? Oh, Anna, look at the design.
Cool.
Jennifer.
Oh, my art thingy. My art.
What is that?
Glitter.
Glitter? Oh, it's the t-shirt paint, the fabric paint.
T-shirt paint.
Yeah.
Oh, and we have this. And markers.
This is what you asked for?
And this one. Snow boots.
Wow! That's really cool. Dude, that's really cool. That's like an awesome one. Right?
It's like a book. Oh, magic books. Magic tricks. Ooh.
Oh, it has a wand on it, Anna. Did you see the wand?
Yeah. It could show me how to do magic.
Ah.
Multiplication facts made easy.
He wants you to study and be
Smart.
smart.
Ooh, what's this?
It's artwork too.
That's a drawing book.
Drawing book. Keep it this side.
Put all the presents
Put all
on
the
this
presents
side.
on this side.
And move the trash away.
I really like this one.
You like that? You can show your friends magic tricks.
Hannah has it too.
She does?
She can play magic.
Okay.
That's all. Science kit.
He did get your list, right?
But some he didn't.
Which one?
Like the dress,
I think that Mama added that to your list.
science kit. Ooh.
You're saying he brought more stuff.
Oh, he bought more stuff?
This one. Because I'm a good boy. Monopoly.
You know how to play that game?
Yeah. Remember that girl?
Which girl?
Andrea.
Andrea?
She has Monopoly.
Mm-hmm.
But this and it's your queen. I know how to play Monopoly. I know how to play, but
Did you put this in the list? You didn't tell me.
no.
Too many gifts?
Tip it. Ooh, what's this one? 5 plus. What is this? How do you play this? Oh.
It's okay.
You gotta try to spin it.
No. I think you have. See what's written on the top.
The wackiest,
Wackiest.
black bel-
Bal-
balcony
balancing.
Wackiest balancing.
game ever. It's like a balancing.
Oh, we gotta check that out.
And the biggest one. I think I know what this is.
What?
The Crayola. Thank you, Santa.
You like it so far?
Yeah.
This looks like the biggest surprise. I don't think this is a Crayola. It's heavy.
No, it's not a Crayola. What is this? Hey, what is this thing? Oh, man, is this Xbox One?
How did you? Yeah.
Xbox One. Hey, it has it has the speaker.
Oh, you
You
done?
can tell.
But it's so heavy.
You can tell the guys what to do.
Oh.
Cool.
It's football. You can play this game. Football.
Wow.
Do you like everything?
Made in NFL 2005.
You like it?
Xbox.
Xbox One.
Okay.
I really wanted Xbox One.
So how do you like it?
Good. Oh, remember this game, Mama? The movie?
Mm-hmm.
There's a lot of stuff. I really want to... Let's try the boots on first.
How do you like it?
Everything is good.
Need help?